再来看特斯拉的执行长马斯克宣布讲要家己创党哦，即马向一向拢是小听伊的分析师，拢建议特斯拉的董事会应该去爱监督马斯克的行为。也毋过哦，马斯克嘛随普文讲爱分析师点点。
亿万富有人马斯克甲美国总统川普完结了后，宣布成立美国党，结果就连长期听伊的分析师艾弗斯都伫 X 顶悬大文，对特斯拉董事会提出3点建议，包括监督这个执行长的政治活动。不过马斯克并无放软，随伫平台呛伊点起。
I'm not going to shut up. I respect what Musk is saying in terms of him disagreeing with our call, but we have to call like it is. The board needs to step in.
马斯克顶礼拜六宣布创党，以条件支持川普台日美法案的共和党议员了后，特斯拉的股价拜一大落将近7%，市价消失680亿美金。马斯克的危机阁毋若一件，伊的社群平台 X 执行长雅克里诺找到意外宣布请辞。
The foundation of X is based on free expression and freedom of speech. We can't just decide who doesn't get to post or have their opinion because we don't like it. It's actually what we talk a lot about.
雅克里诺伫声明中表示，家己经历精彩2年，带公司度过重大转型，不过并无说明是一个原因。伊伫2023年6月为马斯克的手头接 X 执行长，今年3月马斯克的 AI 公司 XAI 买 X 变子公司，不过即阵XAI 的开讲机器人 Grok 早发生反犹太争议，互人批评。分析师认为，恐惊真恶找到接任的人。
I think done a very good job with X. Stabilize it potentially from an advertising perspective, but there's a lot of challenges ahead. And she was really thought to be a leader for the coming years. Her leaving is a surprise.
面对特斯拉销量降低 ，X 执行长各伫平台争乱的时阵请辞，马斯克恐惊爱甲重点为政界翻头关心家己的企业。公司新闻，陈伟仁编译。